Hi, this is Chef Entrepreneur Abhijit Saha. I'm here at the Chitkara University in Chandigarh at the Institute of Hotel Management and Culinary Arts. So this has been an amazing experience here. The students are very enthusiastic and I see a lot of flair for learning. The event that we're doing here is for the promotion of US Cranberries, which is America's original superfoods. And it is something that is very versatile as an ingredient and can be used in different kinds of recipes, including Indian recipes and recipes from across the world in sweet and savory formats. So the team is here. We are a team of 5 chefs who have come from different places and we're doing different recipes of different cuisines. So I think it's a great opportunity for the students to make the most out of this event and go back rich with knowledge and understanding of this superfood. The university campus is really amazing and I love going around, and I think the experience of hospitality here is outstanding. Thank you very much, Chitkara University, and best wishes.